Welcome back to Adventures with David. Now we have ventured here at Knott's Berry Farm. Usually I'm here at Knott's Berry Farm right now for the Boysenberry Festival, but I actually was invited for a special spicy challenge from Alan from Adventures of an Average Dad. Make sure you guys are subscribed because we have a lot more fun adventures coming your way. If you're ready, I'm ready. Oh man, time for a spicy challenge on a hot day. Let's go. So, as you can definitely see right there, the construction update has commenced. That's right. Man, there's a lot happening right over there at the brewery. They definitely have the structure set up. The pillars are set up. The back part is set up, like where the Coca-Cola sign actually is. It's on that far end. But right in the very front, you can definitely see the pillars. Like they are preparing. Like the last time I was here, it was kind of hits and miss when they were actually preparing for the top part of it, like where the signage is going to be at. But you can definitely see a lot more has updated. That's right, they have a lot more. Slowly but surely, they're gonna get that prepped up and ready to go for the BoysenBrewery. One piece of history I absolutely love is old Betsy right there, the most photogenic wood-burning engines inside of Knott's Berry Farm since 1941. Now, it was brought here from Death Valley in the early kind of days of the borax mining. But that is really amazing. I love when you walk in, you know, you have adults, you have families, you have kids. So the next time you actually make your trip out here at Knott's Berry Farm, right behind the blacksmith, make sure you guys take your fun pictures with old Betsy. Hey, guess who I ran into, guys?
What's up, everybody?
Okay. Technically, you didn't run into him. Definitely was invited here, thanks to Alan.
Well, thank you for coming in and joining.
I think, I don't know if I'm sweating because it's hot or I'm sweating because of that. He brought over some crazy stuff, which is, we have the ghost pepper rings, and then we have the Reaper jerky. Someone's gonna need to call the Grim on that one for me.
Yeah,
or for both of us.
For sure.
Oh my gosh. So we're gonna definitely try out the rings first. Hey, it's not fun when you can't smell it.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna have to dual vlog here.
We got our forks because we don't want to put our fingers in it. That would be
tears.
That would be horrible.
That's right.
So, I put that camera down. I got two.
You got two of
I got two.
If I get two, I might even cry.
For sure.
Oh, no.
Oh, you got two too.
Oh, no. There we go. Ready?
Are you ready?
No.
The ghost pepper rings. Are they really that hot? We shall see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, man. You good?
Oh, I gotta figure it out.
It's hot.
Well, that's hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's hot.
It's bad. It's really hot.
Oh my gosh. It's like deep regret.
So it is sweet.
But
It is hot.
I'm on fire.
Oh, me too, dude. Oh, whoa.
Now I tried to actually get something sweet like the berry punch.
Yeah.
Not working now.
It's not, dude. What was your favorite Boysenberry item?
Oh my gosh. I can't even think.
So I'm gonna say
Oh.
one of my favorite items was the brownie.
Yeah.
It's so hot.
The brownie was good.
Oh, this is bad.
The brownie was awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the boysenberry pie.
The pie, yeah.
The pie I need it right now is shoving in my face. Okay.
Oh, that's a bad burn.
Okay. Well, you ate it though.
Yeah. But it's still bad. Oh,
Wait, did you swallow it?
yeah.
Okay, then he's getting the bad. He's getting the worst burn.
It's like a sting. Like if a wasp flew in my mouth right now and went, and it's like ding, 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 ding.
Mm-hmm.
Like look at my eyes.
Dude, he's
Now my face
Holy
is starting to go out.
cow. For this one,
Yeah.
on a 1 through 6, what would you give that?
Oh, that's for sure. It's 6, man.
It is a 6.
My nose is watering. Warning. It is that hot.
Yep, that's my mouth right there.
Yeah.
So here we go, guys. Jerked out jerky. Now this
Yes.
is going to be the Reaper pepper, and I'm not prepared for that. Actually,
So many seeds.
actually with that one, I'm kind of prepared, but my stomach is like, don't do that anymore.
Are we gonna listen? Not this time.
Not this
Not
time.
this time. Maybe
All
we
right.
should though.
As foodies, we gotta have forks.
Yeah, I'm gonna go straight.
Oh,
Oh, I got a big one. Now, we were smelling this just a second ago, and it smelled really good. It smelled sweet. You got a little bit of smokiness to it. But just like we learned from the ghost pepper, it can smell good, but the heat's gonna be there.
Yep, it's gonna be there. Ready?
Cheers.
Here we go.
Good, I like it.
Not bad.
Yeah. You get any heat yet?
Oh, I swallowed it. Oh, there it is.
Is it really?
When you swallow it. That's hey, that's actually not too bad.
It's nice.
Now, will I keep eating that? Probably not. Jerked out jerky.
Yeah.
I strongly recommend that. That's actually okay. The heat is there.
Yeah.
Heat's there. Maybe because I'm not so much into heat, but it's there. You know what it tastes like? Like a jalapeno.
Okay.
It's hot.
It's hot. Yeah, there's the heat. It's oh yeah. It's creeping in. But I think this is a lot hotter.
Yes. That one.
This.
Boom. Now
Yeah.
it's clean out.
That was like a straight circuit punch. It was like,
We are feeling this with just a little bit of it.
yeah.
If you just sit there and act like it's a whole meal and then
Yeah.
you're eating it, that's gonna pack a punch.
Yeah. Like this one's really creepy. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This one's a creeper.
Can
this
you
one-
say it's a Reaper?
It's a creeper reaper.
Reaper.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, Creeper Reaper.
I like that
it.
one,
I
for
would
sure.
actually call this is a good road trip jerky because
Yeah.
you're not gonna sit there and eat the jerky.
For sure.
So you grab one, boom, you get that heat and you're waking up.
Yeah.
You know that when you're driving, you're like, oh man, this is hot. You know?
There you go. Hey, your friend's asleep on the road during a road trip. He doesn't even know it's hot jerky. Hey, bro, you need some jerky to stay up.
Now for this one, I would definitely rank this taste-wise, flavor-wise. This would be a 6 out of 6.
6 out of 6.
The spiciness on it, it's right. It would be right there at a 4 out of 6. I would rank it a 4 out of 6 only because if you keep eating this thing,
Yeah.
your face is gonna feel like a boysenberry.
for sure.
What would you actually rank this?
On heat, I'm gonna say a 5 out of 6. The flavor, straight up 6 out of 6, dude. The flavors are there, smoky, sweet, and then you get introduced with the heat. Loved it.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, love this
Yep.
jerky.
It's not a. I would say fear me only because if you're gonna sit there and eat it.
Yeah.
That's
for
the only
sure.
thing. Yep, our stomachs are still buzzing, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You know what though? That's a no bueno. That's a bueno right there. But yeah,
This would hurt.
it was so great. Like I wouldn't have actually conquered my fear of like this
Yeah.
if it wasn't for you, Alan. It really wasn't, man.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, anytime.
Well, thank you for coming out today
Yeah.
and conquering your fear with these, because it hurt.
Yep, I'm still shaking. You guys, we conquered our fears.
Yes.
I hope you guys conquer your fears every time you come to the park or at home.
Yeah, for sure.
Always conquer your fears.
Yes, you should.
Well, thanks, Alan, so
Well,
much,
thank
man.
you, man.
I'm gonna
Thank
have
you.
his links down below as well. Make sure you guys subscribe to him. Follow on Instagram as well too.
Well, thank you. Hey, but if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to David, I don't know, bro. You need to go down below and subscribe to David. He has awesome theme park content, dude.
That was so much fun hanging out with Alan. Oh, man, I thank him so much for inviting me out and trying out the spicy foods. Man, usually for me, I don't really try spicy foods like that, but trying that one was pretty cool. I love that. Well, no, I don't love it now, but it was actually nice just to have that challenge. So check that out. Now you've probably seen and walked through it or walked the doors of Birdcage Cedar right over here at Knott's Calico Ghost Town. But what's actually really cool about the Birdcage Cedar, it actually opened up back over in 1954. Walter Knott wanted to, basically from what I read, bring it over from Tombstone, Arizona, where it was actually at, because he was more of like a historian. He wanted accuracy on it, but unfortunately, he was unable to bring it from Tombstone, Arizona. So, anyways, he actually replicated here at Knott's Berry Farm, but he got too expensive. But now you can see the Birch Cage Cedar's front facade. But when you walk through the doors, there's a tarp on the very top part where it's not really completed. So you can definitely get a nice picture right in the very front. But when you move over to the right side, it's not really complete. That's actually pretty cool. I love that whole effect. When you first walk into Knott's over in Calico and you move over to the left side, you can definitely see the Birch Cage Cedar. It does actually look complete, but just like any other place, looks can be slightly deceiving. Oh, so coming to the shop right here, look at this. They got Mr. Widdles. This probably has been here for quite some time, but me walking in here, I was like, hey, look, you can own your own little miner. This is so cool. And what's actually really even crazy is that Mr. Widdles' little camp area is gone, and they actually replaced that with the tables and chairs. So yeah, Mr. Widdles right now has no home here at Knott's Berry Farm. So maybe he's going to be possibly leaving. We're unsure on that. But hey, you get to own your own Mr. Widdles. Man, if you actually do stop by the Fiesta Village, it is a hot day today. And the way to actually alleviate all of that heat is right over here. So right here by the Fiesta Village, the left side of the sign, they actually have some benches that are right underneath some perfectly aligned trees. Right over here at La Papa Loca, they definitely have Elote Fries. Now this has cotija, cheese, chili powder, it has some corn, and it also has some fries as well too. Oh, this looks so good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Dude, this looks so good. Bottoms up. You know how I always say, oh yeah, that's just fries. Like, you definitely taste the fries. That was really good. It literally tastes like an elote. It really does. Like, you have the elote taste, the fries, everything actually works pretty well with that. That was a perfect concoction of amazing food. That right there is a must try. Now, it's not part of the Boysenberry Festival, but for me, I would definitely want to try something on and off the festival, which is that one right there. That is a must try. That right there, I would give it close enough to a 6, not quite there yet, but I would still rank that a high 5 out of 6. That was pretty solid. Passing by Montezuma's Revenge, on my way to Camp Snoopy to definitely check out some Easter stuff. They definitely have a sign right there for the summer of 2023 for the opening of Montezuma's Revenge. So it definitely looks like they actually are working on it. Doesn't look like a lot has changed, but again, it's gonna be here until 2023. So they have a lot of time. Because Easter is almost upon us, Camp Snoopy has some amazing decorations. Cue the music and let's go. That is a lot. That is a lot. Well, a decent amount of size of decorations for April, for Easter, which is great. But we stopped by the Camp Snoopy store, but look at this. I had to actually emphasize this one. This one actually is pretty awesome. If you do, definitely come on out to the Boysenberry Festival. Kids want something that's going to be, something that they can remember. This is a perfect gift for them. You guys come on out, definitely get your kid this awesome tie-dye shirt. And these range about $26.99. And you actually, if you do have a pass here, you can definitely get that pass discount as well too. This is a must-have, guys. Aw, look at this. Just like a lot of meals that I do have here, it is berry delicious. Boysenberry delicious. Boysenberry, yeah. I always stick with berry delicious. I like that. $24.99 for this shirt. Oh, this is so cool. Snoopy's having so much fun eating some Boysenberry goodness. Aw, look, I should get this for my daughter. Well, not this small size. She's not this small anymore. It says cutie pie. Well, I didn't say pie, but it says it right there. Cutie pie. Love this. This is so cool. They have a lot of great merch for the Boysenberry Festival. If you guys just come on out and just take a quick look at it, yeah, you're probably gonna be like, you know, I gotta buy this one. So yes, this ranges about $22.99. So this is the must-have. If you find yourself here at Knott's Berry Farm, make sure you guys take your fun pics because then you can view them here. All right, guys, that is it for today's awesome hot adventure here at Knott's Berry Farm. Now, it did hit 100 degrees today. 100. Man, that is really hot. Now, we definitely did the spicy challenge. Thanks so much to Alan for inviting me out. It was a hot day today, but it was also hot in my stomach. Now, if you guys love this awesome spicy adventure, make sure you guys give it an awesome Boysenberry thumbs up. If you guys like the content I bring to you guys all the time, make sure you guys are subscribed and always share my videos with your family and friends. Now, if you would love to own your own Adventurez merch or even support the channel, I'm gonna have those links down below in the description, so definitely check them out. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.